Hi, are you allergic to laundry detergents and chemicals? Here is an outstanding product for you to protect your life. According to the University of Washington, your laundry detergent releases banned cancer-causing chemicals that may be affecting the health of you and your family. On July 23, 2008, a study was performed. What they found is that 99% of laundry detergents release cancer-causing chemicals that are legally hazardous and toxic by the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. Magnetic Laundry System (MLS) is a patented technology proven to be a durable and environmental-friendly alternative to laundry detergent. It is also a healthy solution to those suffering from chemical sensitivity. Magnetic Laundry System cleans and releases stains hiding in your fabrics by changing the water properties, making water a more effective cleaning agent. With multiple permanent magnets arranged in a unique configuration, Magnetic Laundry System generates a powerful magnetic field that is at least 390 times stronger than fridge magnets. Its unique design and resilient case further protect it from wear out due to washer agitation. Here are benefits you can find from this product. Of course, you will save money from buying chemical laundry detergents for your entire life. Cleans just as well as the laundry detergents, and it lasts a lifetime with a 50-year manufacturer's warranty. Spare yourself and your family from inhaling toxic scents by protecting your body from contact with the chemicals lurking in your clothes. You will pay less on your hydro bills by skipping the rinse cycle and conserve water. Moreover, we will prevent more toxic spills into the rivers that mess up with the hormones of aquatic lives. The Magnetic Laundry System consists of an independent lab testing report from one of the largest testing companies in the world, Schuster Laboratories, changed name to All Consumer Products. It verifies unequivocally that the Magnetic Laundry System does indeed clean garments and do not damage colors or the tensile strength of your fabrics. The technology is also protected and verified by 2 patents. You can find the testing report on the link below. We bring 3 options for your try. Single kit with 1 magnetic laundry system is worth $69.99. Double kit special with 2 magnetic laundry system is currently worth $114.99, and a full package special with 2 MLS and 1 bottle concentrate enzymes cost $154.95. We are having over 38,799 happy customers. Why don't you give it a try? I bet you will be satisfied.